So today's chapter is everyone is important. And the value that we are going to learn in this chapter is respect. दूसरों की respect कैसे करनी है? Now let's begin. Look at the picture given below. Discuss these questions in class. So which animal do you see in the picture? Have you seen this animal before, and if yes, then where? And describe the qualities of this animal in few words. This is an elephant, baby elephant. कहाँ देखा है? अगर देखा है तो वो आपको क्लास में डिस्कस करना है, और कौन सी क्वालिटीज इस एनिमल की आपको पसंद है, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डिस्कस इट इन योर क्लास. Now, once the king of forest, the lion king, was busy in appointing various animals at different posts. The cheetah had been made the army commander because he was quick thinker and the fastest runner. The wise elephant had been made the prime minister. The time passed by and other animals also got their posts. In the end, only the rabbit, the tortoise and the donkey were left. तो जंगल का जो किंग होता है, फॉरेस्ट का किंग लायन, एक दिन सारे एनिमल्स को उनकी पोस्ट अपॉइंट कर रहा था. सिर्फ रैबिट, टॉर्टॉइस और डंकी बच गए थे पोस्ट लेने के लिए. So at this, the animals started laughing. The zebra said, the rabbit gets scared easily and the tortoise takes hours to move an inch. इसी बात पे बाकी सारे animals हंसने लग गए कि rabbit डर बहुत जल्दी जाता है और tortoise बहुत धीरे धीरे चलता है. And this is the probable reason why the king has not appointed these three animals till now. The donkey is fool. They cannot get any post in the royal court. और donkey बेवकूफ है, इसीलिए उसको post नहीं मिली. But the Lion King said, no friends, please don't tease them. All animals have different and unique qualities. The rabbit will be our messenger because he runs fast. The tortoise can hide and spy on the border posts, and the loud voice of the donkey can be used as a bulge call. We must learn to respect everyone. और बाकी तीनों को, जिन्होंने बाकी एनिमल्स ने समझा कि कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उनको भी पोस्ट अपॉइंट करी गई और लायन ने बाकी सबको सिखाया कि हर किसी की रिस्पेक्ट हमें करनी चाहिए. Thus, all the animals of the forest learned a new lesson that day. और इसी तरीके से बाकी सारे एनिमल्स ने, उन्होंने एक दिन नया लेसन सीखा. क्या? कि हमेशा दूसरों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, चाहे कोई छोटा ही क्यों ना हो, किसी ना किसी काम जरूर आता है. Now, moral of the story, everyone has its own quality, so we must respect everyone. हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ क्वालिटी जरूर होती है, ढूंढने की जरूरत है बस, इसीलिए हर किसी की रिस्पेक्ट करनी ही चाहिए. Now, exercise time. Tick the correct option. The cheetah had been made the army commander. The wise elephant had been made the chief minister. The rabbit had been made the messenger. And we must learn to respect everyone. Now write T for true and F for false against each statement. The tortoise is the fastest runner. Absolutely false. The Lion King was busy in appointing various animals at different posts. This is correct. All animals have same qualities? No. All animals have different qualities. Hence, this is a false statement. The tortoise was appointed as a spy on the border post. This is absolutely correct. Now fill in the blanks with the correct word. So you have 5 different words: bulge call, runner, scared, thinker and donkey. So the cheetah was a quick runner, a quick thinker and the fastest runner also. The rabbit gets scared easily. The donkey is a fool. And the loud voice of the donkey was used as a bugle call. Now match the following. चीता को क्या बनाया गया था? Army commander. Elephant was made the prime minister. Rabbit was made a messenger and tortoise was appointed as a spy at the border posts. Now answer the following questions. You have 4 different questions. Just follow through up and answer these questions on your own. Now my positive qualities. आपकी अपनी कौन सी positive qualities है वो हम अब जानेंगे. Choose any 6 qualities from the box which you have and circle them with the green crayon. So you have different kinds of qualities that are written down here. आपने इनमें से कौन सी है उसको आपको circle कर देना है. Enhance your skills through these activities. Identify the animals and write their names. Also write at least one quality of each animal, how they are helpful to us. For example, it is a cow, it gives us milk. अलग-अलग animals हैं, cow, sheep, goat, hen, horse. इन सभी के पहले तो आपको नाम लिख देने हैं और उसके बाद आपको इन सभी की एटलीस्ट एक क्वालिटी यहाँ पर लिख देनी है. Now you have the riddle time. You have to read the sentences and write the answer to the riddle. So it has 4 legs. ये सारे आपको riddles हैं. Riddles को ही follow करते हुए आपको कौन सा animal best suited है वो आपको यहाँ पर लिख देना है. Now what are my friend's best qualities? आपके friend में कौन सी best qualities हैं वो आपको लिख देनी है. For example, each one of us is different and unique. Your friend is also very special, unique person with many special positive qualities. Can you list as many qualities of your friend as you can below on the sunshine? There are few examples to get you started. Write all those qualities down and be proud of your friend. हर किसी में qualities होती ही हैं, same भी हो सकती हैं, similar भी हो सकती हैं, different भी हो सकती हैं. आपके friends में कौन सी qualities हैं, just write them down and be proud of your friend. So you have examples. For example, he or she is honest, he or she is brave, he or she makes people laugh. जो भी quality है वो आप लिख दीजिए.